So the new students of this bird school are entering their school. So you have got AC school. You guys are lucky. So you can learn how to fly, how to eat. Right, Karen Senpai? Chick. Come this way first.
Besides feathers, what else is unique to birds? A. Bright colors. B. Bill or beak. C. Wings. Or D. None of the above. Each coming up when we return to Animal Atlas. We're back. Did you guess the right answer to our question? Besides feathers, what else is unique to birds? The answer is D.
None of the above.
Sometimes what's amazing about an animal is not what's unique about it, but what's not. Yes, there are birds with brightly colored, even dazzling feathers. But there are also butterflies who can claim that too. Birds are famous for their bills, also called beaks, which likewise come in a wide array. The short, the long, the very long,
Javseer Senpai, Aditya Senpai, where is Karan Senpai? Karan, where are you, Karan? Ooh. So how's your new school, birds? So what did you learn, bird Karan? What did you learn here?
That an eye of ostrich is bigger than its brain.
You are ostrich and he is parrot. He is red parrot. Now get together. Here, this way.
Mixed parrot. Mixed parrot. Mixed parrot.
Okay. See here.